Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on the Southern Coastal Highway and we're giving you an update on the highway project. Now where we are is by the Suncoast area. To the left is a Suncoast Adventure Park and to the right is a Suncoast Beach Club that's being constructed. Now straight ahead what you're looking at is where the main road used to be. We're going to fly over it so you get a better view. So there you can see to the right where you see those red cones, that's where the road used to be. So what's happening here is the highway is being built. So that section you're looking straight at up ahead that's not paved yet, that's a section that's coming from 11 miles in Bull Bay over the hill back out to the Suncoast Adventure Park. So that section has to rejoin the other section now where they upgraded the existing roadway by the Suncoast Adventure Park. So that section where you see the road paved, that is the section that has been upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So right here where you see the construction equipment, like where that car just turned, that is the route the highway will take. So it will be just one continuous road. Now to get onto the old main road, you will turn right when the highway is finished. And then they're going to be building a bridge so that if you're on the other lane and you want to get back onto the old road, you can just go across. So that's what's happening out here. So that's the highway that you're looking at, the section that comes over the hill. Now this is a new road that has been built from 11 miles to where we are now. And then this section where the road is paved already, what they did there was the existing road that was 2 lanes, they increased it to 4 lanes. Or I should say expanded. So that road that goes right there now was recently built so that traffic can divert that way while they're joining both sides. So what you're looking at now is where they're going to have a bridge so that if you're on this side of the highway and you need to get to the old road, you'll take that bridge and go across the highway. If you're on the other side, you'll just take that side road and get to the old road. So this section of the highway now, it falls on the entire highway is from Harborview to Port Antonio, or basically the parish of St. Andrew through St. Thomas into Portland. That's the length of the highway, 132 kilometers of road. 110 kilometers from the Yallow's Bridge to Port Antonio. And then they have another section which is from Morant Bay to Cedar Valley, which is 13 kilometers. So the entire length of the highway is 123 kilometers. Now the section that we're looking at falls under this section from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge. And that section is 17.4 kilometers. And that section is to be completed in August of this year, which is 8 weeks from now. 8 weeks. And we'll keep you guys updated on that. So this is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica right now. So this project started in 2017. It's now 2023. So it's definitely moving. And this project falls under the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. But this road, we should point out, is not a toll road. You don't have to pay to use it. Now what we're looking at now is the bridge that was built by 11 miles in Bull Bay. So you would take this bridge, go on this road and come out by the Suncoast Adventure Park. So this is the other end of it. This is where you would start the new alignment going over the hill. So let's just go through the entire alignment for this section so it's clearer. Okay, so from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles Bull Bay where we are now, the new highway will run along the existing roadway. So the existing 2-lane road is upgraded, or is being upgraded, to a 4-lane road. It's going to be a dual carriageway with a concrete Jersey barrier in the middle. Then at 11 miles Bullway, where we are now, the highway takes a new alignment, meaning it no longer runs along the existing roadway. It goes over the hill and comes out by the Suncoast Adventure Park, which is where the video started. So this new road has been built over the hill. And then at the Suncoast Adventure Park, it comes back out and goes, and then the highway runs along the existing roadway that is also upgraded to 4 lanes. And then it runs along that corridor until it gets to Albion Heights. Then at Albion Heights, the highway takes a new alignment going over the hill, coming out by Grandspend. And then at Grandspend, the highway runs along the existing roadway down to the Yallow's Bridge. So basically, the highway runs along the existing roadway except for 2 sections. One is a section we're looking at, and the other one is a section by Albion Heights. In those 2 cases or sections, the highway, a new road has been built, meaning those 2 sections no longer run along the existing roadway. They have a new road, or I should say a new alignment. So we're just showing you both sections, and as you can see, this bridge is complete. This bridge was built for the highway, and it goes all the way over to the Suncoast Park. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. We will give you guys weekly updates on this project as we get closer to the August, to see, 1, if the deadline is going to be made, and 2, to show you guys what's going on. But alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of the video and have a good day.